D. Ramas, and I will be discussing what is metacognition. So metacognition is all about thinking or learning how to learn. We have the two components of metacognitive. So we have metacognitive knowledge and we have metacognitive regulation. So metacognitive knowledge, which means understanding your cognitive process by strength and weakness. So we have here the declarative knowledge. So declarative knowledge is knowledge about things or there are limitations to know. And we have procedural knowledge. Knowledge on how to do things or how to execute or how to act. And we have third, conditional knowledge. So knowledge on when and why to apply cognitive acts. So in this three category, and we have an example for this. For example, you bake a cake. So you start here. Declarative knowledge. So once you bake a cake, you know the ingredients, so which is declarative knowledge. You know the ingredients, but you don't know how to apply or how to execute or how to cook. And we proceed that procedural. So in the case of that, and how to, or you don't know how to cook, but you know the ingredients. For example, the ingredients: milk, water, egg, butter, and you need to proceed the process. Yeah, which means procedural knowledge. Procedural knowledge, which means on how to apply, on how to put the sugar you want to 2 teaspoons of sugar, and how to step by step process on how to cook. And conditional knowledge, this is conditional knowledge or evaluating your doing. So for this knowledge on when and why to apply cognitive acts. So if you finish the cooking or baking the cake, so you need to evaluate your cake. What is the taste or sakto ra ba para sa imong nga timpla. So we have here the metacognitive regulation. So metacognitive regulation actively controlling the process of planning, monitoring, and evaluating. And we have here the planning, which means selecting appropriate strategies or nagpabasa ka og stories sa bata. So we have the monitoring, involves continuously checking your understanding. So mababasa ka og stories sa bata, niya wala siya ka understand sa iyang ibasa, so iyang i-reread o balik and para masabtan sa iyang if dili gani pasabot ang bata, so ask for help if needed. Wala siya ang monitoring. Sa evaluating, diha na bunsay nakatunan sa bata, bunsay sabay na learn sa iyang basa diri o para matabangan nimo para ma-improve ang iyang learning sa bata. Lastly, we have the metacognitive teaching strategies or on how students reflect on their own thinking processes. Sa metacognitive teaching strategies, maka-help na siya ma-improve ang knowledge sa bata by step by demonstrating the problem solving. It involves strategies which is planning, monitoring, and evaluating. So, planning, which means how you
how will you digest the information, the monitoring, and how will you use the information or your comprehension of the topic as you study with actions such as practice test, and the last is evaluate or evaluating. It's the result of your learning when you're finished, and modify your approaches as needed. So that's all for today's topic. Thank you.